Hello everyone, this is my review of the Samply hot water bottle with a knitted cover. It's a must-have for anyone seeking comfort and pain relief. The 2-liter size provides just the right amount of warmth, whether my wife is using it for menstrual cramps, neck and shoulder pain, or just to warm up on cold nights. The knitted cover is soft and prevents the bottle from getting too hot against the skin while also adding a cozy touch. It stays warm for hours, providing consistent relief, and it's filled up and secured snugly with a cap. I also appreciate that it's double as a cold press when needed. This hot water bottle is quickly becoming a staple in our household, especially for my wife when it helps with her pain. So I highly recommend this bottle, and I hope this review helps.